Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm guest designing for Pink & Main using their July 2019 Crafty Courtyard kit. The theme is Pen Pals and I just love the colors and designs. The kit goes on sale on July 1st and just like other monthly kits, there are a limited quantity available. So if you like what you see, I suggest not waiting. I have a direct link in the description box if you are interested. So let me show you everything that's included in the kit. So to start with, there is this little information postcard, and isn't that a sweet image? So on the other side, it talks about the theme of the kit, which is Pen Pals, and the colors that coordinate really nicely. So go ahead and take out this zippered bag, and then we'll go through the cardstock. So you're going to receive 6 sheets of colored cardstock and then also 2 sheets of 110-pound ice rink cardstock. So a nice white cardstock. There's this beautiful holographic specialty cardstock. Love that. There's also a specialty sheet of silver pearlescent. Then there's a nice gray. And there's an embossed teal cardstock. These are always fun. Then there's a salmon color, and then also a nice pink. So there is all of the cardstock that is included, and of course it matches beautifully with the paper collection. And then you'll also receive this 8.5 by 11 zippered pouch. So these are really nice and sturdy. You can keep other projects in there or some of the kit items. Now here is my favorite part of the whole kit, this paper pad. So you get a full 6x6 paper pad. These are double-sided sheets, 24 sheets included, and you'll have 2 of each design. And I love that one page has cut-aparts, and they're just adorable. So of course, since you get double papers, you'll have 2 sheets of those cut-aparts. So lots of really fun images. It has a nice mix of tone-on-tone or muted designs and then just really fun patterns. I love this sheet with all of the sentiments in the different colors. So there's lots of polka dots and stripes in this collection, which is great to use for a variety of different themes. Some more polka dots and these fun little envelopes with the heart going all the way across. Some more stripes with polka dots and then a nice heart page, and then here's some more images with a little snail and the little puppy and lots of envelopes, and then a nice plaid. So then here is the repeat of all those same patterns. I love this paper collection. And the kit also includes a full 6x6 stamp set, and it is so adorable. So it's called Pen Pals, just going with the whole kit theme. So it has several little images that you can color. There's the little puppy and the little mailbox with the mouse and the snail, and then lots of great sentiments. And then next are 3 little decorative paper clips. So there's 2 little envelopes with the heart and then a larger heart. So those will look really sweet attached to a project. And then there are 2 things of twine. There's 3 yards each. There's just a solid gray and then a gray and a white striped. And then the die set this month is a mini envelope set. So that larger piece cuts out the envelope, and then there's a little heart that you can seal the envelope with. And then there is a full sheet of the rose gold glossy hearts. So these are very similar to the glossy dots that Pink & Main sells, but these are in a heart shape and they're really pretty. And then here is their exclusive sequin mix. Lovely colors, lots of soft teal, blues, and pinks in there. And then you'll receive a full roll of rose gold washi tape. And then there is a full bottle of this sparkle glitter glue. So this is very similar to other brands. I haven't tried this one before. And then every kit includes 4 A2 size envelopes in white. And then finally, there is a 1-inch collectible flare badge. And this one is so cute. It has long live snail mail. So that is everything that is included in Pink & Main's July 2019 Crafty Courtyard kit. This kit looks like so much fun. I love the colors and I love the theme. What a great way to encourage everybody to make a card and send it to somebody. I have included a link in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this kit. Stay tuned and I will be sharing my 10 cards using this kit very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.